Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my barbecue pulled chicken. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Because I'm going to be making my own dry rub, and that's just by mixing all of the spices. As always, they're going to be listed in the description box. So just mix them all together, and here you're always able to taste it and see if you need to adjust it. But once we have that, now we can prepare our chicken. Alright, so for my chicken, I'm going to be using 6 pounds of chicken breast with rib. Of course, you can always use thigh. And just to make sure that you create a slit on the side, so like that we're able to add the seasonings in there as well. I'm going to be using some oil, and just make sure to rub it all over the breast or the chicken. And make sure you do it front and back. Okay, so once we have that, now we're just going to grab our dry rub and just sprinkle it all over the chicken. And make sure to season it on the slit that we created. Once we have coated our chicken with our dry rub, we're going to allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after at least 30 minutes, we can now get ready to cook our chicken. I'm going to place my chicken on my Traeger at 225 degrees using the super smoked setting. Also make sure to spritz it with apple juice every 30 minutes. I'll let it smoke until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. And once done, remove it, cover it with foil, and allow it to rest for at least 15 minutes. Alright guys, so once we allow our chicken to rest, we're going to get ready to shred it. Okay, and once we have our chicken all nice and shredded, I'm going to drizzle some hot honey. And of course with some barbecue sauce. Okay, now we're just going to mix it. Make sure that the chicken gets nice and coated with the barbecue sauce. Alright, so once we have mixed in our barbecue sauce, we're going to return it back to the Traeger at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Alright guys, and after 15 minutes, our delicious chicken is done. So now we can get ready to serve. And our favorite way is to serve it in a sandwich. So I'm going to grab my bread. Add more barbecue sauce. Going to top it with my chicken. Here I'm going to top it with some pepper jack cheese and of course some onion. Now we're just going to close it and get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now we can get ready to enjoy. This is seriously the best. The chicken is nice, juicy, so flavorful, so perfect. Alright guys, and if you don't have a Traeger, I will leave all of the instructions on how you can make this delicious recipe in the oven. Make sure you check out the description box. But I am ready. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious barbecue pulled chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.